Hello students, welcome to the channel Science Made Easy with Jyoti. This channel will help you to understand different concepts of class 10 science in an easy manner and also help you to learn to answer different types of questions. I will be dealing with concept based and competency based questions in each session. To benefit more, subscribe to my channel. So now let's move to today's question. Explain myopia, its causes and its corrective measure. Myopia is an eye defect which is also called as short-sightedness. Before we understand this defect, let us first recollect few facts that we have learnt about the eye. The first is the far point of a normal eye is infinity. The second, the distance between the eye lens and the retina for a normal eye is about 2.5 centimeters. Now, a normal person can see objects kept as far as infinity very clearly. Now, this is shown by the first diagram. You can see that the rays which are coming from infinity are focusing on the retina. But when a person has myopia, then the far point becomes less than infinity, and so the person is able to see objects kept at much lesser distance than infinity. This is shown in the second diagram. The far point has become less than infinity at O dash, and so this person will now be able to see the objects kept up to this new far point only. Now, does that mean he will not be able to see objects at infinity? No, that's not true. The object at infinity would not focus on retina but instead focus before retina. And so, the person will not have a clear vision of far off objects. This is explained by the third diagram. Now, let us now understand the causes of myopia. The first cause is excessive curvature of eye lens, which means the lens is not able to become thinner to focus far off objects. The second reason is the eyeball is too long or elongated. That is more than 2.5 centimeters, due to which the image is formed before the retina. Now, this can be corrected by using a concave lens of suitable power. The concave lens diverges the light before it falls on the retina, so the light can pass through the lens and focus on the retina, giving you a perfect vision. So you can see that in the fourth diagram. For more such videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Good luck and great learning!